You're going along with your life and you look around and you notice like, oh, I am in my 30s. I have $40,000 in debt. I live with a weirdo.
You do have a super creepy roommate.
You read my diary?
At first, I did not know that it was your diary. I thought it was a very sad, handwritten book.
Are you coming over tonight? I have big news.
Ooh, I can't wait.
I'm engaged.
What?
Will you be my maid of honor?
Of course.
You'll love the rest of the bridesmaids.
I'd be more than happy to handle the bachelorette and the shower.
I think I can handle it.
Annie, what is this place?
I know it looks a little scary on the outside. The food here is really, really good.
Oh, look, you can get a check cash next door.
Helen, aren't you having any meat?
It's not good to eat a big meal before a fitting.
This is some classy shit. I want to apologize. I'm not even confident of which end that came out of.
You got food poisoning from that restaurant.
No.
Everybody, go outside.
Be careful! We all get the flu. It's such a coincidence. I feel like her life is going off and getting perfect, and mine's just like, come on.
I need you to touch your nose with your finger.
If I was drunk, would I be able to do this?
I would hope so.
I wanted to go over some ideas for the bachelorette party.
I was thinking Las Vegas.
Strip club.
Disney World.
Fight Club.
Go to a fight club?
No, we're not going to go to a fight club.
Okay.
We're going to be the Fight Club.
Vegas it is.
I'm a nervous flyer, I'm sorry.
I had a dream last night that we went down. You were in it.
What?
You should just toss it back.
I'm ready to party!
You're like the maid of dishonor.
We're gonna take this huge step, and I'm gonna be there right next to you. I am dead serious.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
Do you have a date for the wedding? Because I have a great guy for you.
I'm gonna just hang down here with my son Tyler and be back in a minute.
Sure. Did you eat one of those?
Late Saturday.